friends, Running Kimono here, and we have another Ibotta video. So last week I made a series of 2 videos where the verbiage of their terms of service just kept changing in regards to using Ibotta, which is a rebate app, in concert with coupons, digital coupons, paper manufacturer coupons, hang tags, peelies, extra care box, register rewards, whatever the coupon might be. They took a stand where they changed the verbiage where they were saying, if you read it, that you couldn't use it in concert with it. Now, those 2 videos I made, because this is very, very confusing, I have since made them private, but I do have screenshots where it was like, no, you can't. So if you look at the box in yellow, it says no period. And then as of Tuesday, which was yesterday, it says some Ibotta rebates have restrictions, but you can still use manufacturer coupons. So this has created quite the kind of like a mess, because moving forward, I would absolutely take a screenshot of whatever rebate you're going to do, along with I would read the fine print. And I know a lot of us want to rock and roll with this rebate and just like knock them out. Boom, boom, boom. Especially if you're doing like a weekend warrior or whatever. You want to do it quite in a swift fashion. So having to stop to read all the fine print, it's hard. But I would do that, and I would also grab a screenshot of the fine print in case they want to just reject your rebate. Because I think doing it that way until they get this ironed out, it will provide that you will get your rebate, and you could send them the screenshot of the rebate and say, hey, look at this. I think that's the smartest avenue to take, and then to email their Zendesk, for a missed rebate. I know that a lot of people that were doing like 5 or 6 rebates and then one had a coupon, like 2 rebates would get rejected over the weekend, and I kept getting that message from you guys. But let's really respect the rebate app and try and follow the rules, because you don't want to have your app, audited or locked up or anything like that. So like, just to play ball, I would grab screenshots and really read. And I know kind of a pain because it's always been status quo where you could use manufacturer coupons, but they've kind of changed it a little bit for us. Okay, so looking at this, can I use coupons or other promotions with Ibotta offers? That page on Ibotta Help on their website, it says, some Ibotta offers have restrictions which would not allow the combination with manufacturer coupons, paper coupons, digital coupon codes, retail digital rewards. Take a breath. Now, on Saturday or the weekend, it said no period. Now it's some. So if you think about Ibotta, there are so many different products that have rebates. Everything from Johnson & Johnson to Cottonelle, which is Kimberly-Clark, like just thinking of the different companies. So every company will have a different way that they want to work this, that if they don't have manufacturer coupons out in the weekend newspaper, perhaps this is a way that you can get extra savings on your favorite Kimberly-Clark products or whatever it might be. So I can see why it's not going to be a hard and fast no for everything. However, if you were doing rebates on the weekend and a lot of your stuff was getting rejected, I think the best thing to do, and I know a lot of you are probably like, I don't want to have a million Ibotta rebates in my cell phone, like a screenshots, but it's just to keep a paper trail and just be like a super smart, like, with your rebate apps, just because you don't want to lose out on a couple of bucks here and there, because those couple of bucks add up to $20 or $30 if you're just saying, oh, well, forget it. And I hope you could follow me in that avenue. But this is so strange that it seems like anytime you go to Ibotta's terms of service page, it's like it's either been updated 3 hours or 6 hours or whatever. Like, I don't understand why they just don't fix it. But there's a lot of moving parts, and I can't stress it enough just to read, and then see what's going on, like for specific rebates, what they want. And I'm going to have to do the same thing too. And if there's about doing lazy couponing or just putting your brain in autopilot mode, sometimes I'm guilty of that as well. A lot of times where you have to buy an offer of 2 items, I might just buy one, and I've made that mistake multiple times. So the devil really is in the details, but I can't stress it enough. Try and follow the rules as best as you can. And then if you are submitting, say, like 5 rebates on a Saturday and only 3 of them come through, if you have those screenshots and you email their Zendesk for a little bit of help, hopefully, they can put this in motion really quickly. I think this is kind of great for couponers as well. My personal thoughts on it, because if it's going from a no to some, it's a difference between a rebate app like coupons.com or Checko51 where you cannot use manufacturers with to some. So there is some wiggle room for stacking and finding bigger and better deals. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.